we need to test the motor, wiring, and starter before the engine is shipped to South Africa. This has been done on the floor with a piece of wire instead of an ignition switch. Starting the engine with Eurokraft wiring harness, take 1.
Starting the engine with a quality.
Take 2.
Starter's stuck, oh boy.
Where's the hammer at?
There it is. There it is.
Look at that piece of wire here.
Alright, we'll be back.
That's it. You ready?
Trying again. Alright, we diagnosed that one of the relays was bad, so it's been swapped out for a different one, and now this is the proper big test.
Ready?
Alright. It's a little bit colder, it's a little bit later, but we think we've got it worked out. So, if we manually block off the vacuum ports, and we manually hook up the battery, which will all be wired properly, and Bill holds the wire there for switch.
And we got the starter.
That's a 3.6.